Are you constantly broke, no matter how much you make? You're not alone, and it's not your fault, but it's time to fix it. Let's break down the real reasons your money keeps disappearing and exactly what to do about it. 1. No budget. You don't track your spending. That's like driving blindfolded. Without a budget, your money controls you. Fix. Start with a simple monthly budget. List your income. Subtract your needs, then your wants. Use apps like Mint, YNAB, or even a notebook. 2. Lifestyle creep. Each time you earn more, you spend more. That's lifestyle creep. Fix. Don't upgrade your life with every raise. Upgrade your savings, investments, or debt payments first. 3. No emergency fund. One emergency can wipe you out if you don't have a backup. Fix. Build an emergency fund. Even saving just $10 a week can create a cushion over time. 4. Debt cycle. Credit cards, loans, buy now, pay later, it adds up. Fix. Focus on paying off high-interest debt first. Use methods like the avalanche or snowball method. No financial goals. Without a target, money slips through your fingers. Fix. Set smart goals, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Save for what matters. You're not stuck. You just need the right steps. Start today. Track, plan, save, invest. You got this. Subscribe for more real-world financial tips that actually work.